Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Miflex XT Tech hose. So this is a new design for Miflex. It's still a braided hose, but they have covered it because a lot of people were complaining that the traditional Miflex hoses, they were quite light in the water. They were quite floaty, so they could get out of control. And two, if you're not wearing a sort of a dry suit and a hood, if you're wearing like a long hose, sort of primary donate, that braided hose could sort of rub against your neck. So what they've done is they've coated it in this sort of polyurethane sort of coating, so it's a little bit heavier. It's still light, much lighter than a traditional rubber hose. It's still nice and flexible as well, as you expect from Miflex hoses, but it's nice and soft, and it's that little bit heavier in the water, so it doesn't just float off. So you get all the benefits of a braided hose, but with a nice smooth outer coating. This is the Miflex XT Tech hose. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.